Hey y'all, I'm Jamie Deen back in Mama's Kitchen, and you know the first week of every year is air fryer week for Mom. So you get $20 off the air fryer the first week of January. And the reason why we focus on air fryers the first week of January is because, Lord, I'm full. We've eaten through all the holidays. Now it's the start of the new year, so we're doing very light, easy recipes that I truly love that we're gonna make in the air fryer this week. And we're gonna start with Brussels sprouts. I love Brussels sprouts. We've cut the bottom off and we've cut these into half. Now you talk about a simple recipe. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of olive oil over here, just enough to kind of coat them all. And to this, we're gonna brighten it up with some lemon zest. It's about 2 teaspoons of lemon zest, I think, so I'm gonna zest this whole lemon in here. I love lemon on vegetables, especially Brussels sprouts, because it cuts the bitterness a little bit, but it also brightens it up. It's really, really, really delicious. So we've got our fresh lemon zest, we got our oil, our Brussels sprouts. Now we need some salt and some pepper. I like a little bit of salt in my Brussels sprouts, and I like pepper too. Okay, so now all we need is brown sugar and bacon, and not this much. We're eating good today, y'all. Make sure you combine all this together. Really good and simple. This air fryer comes with this steamer basket that is perfect for what we're doing here today. We're gonna pop this in. Make sure I level it out. We're gonna air fry this on 375 for 10 minutes. And that's it. Super easy, really good way to cook, and it makes delicious vegetables too. I mean, if you're in a time crunch, this is the way to go. So we're gonna let our Brussels sprouts go for 10 minutes right here, and then we're gonna eat. Let's go get the bacon and brown sugar ready. Okay, y'all, we're about halfway through our cooking here. Let's check on our stuff and see.
They are taking longer than 10 minutes though, so.
Yeah, we've had them in there about 12 minutes or so now. Now, sometimes what Mom does is she adds a little bit of spray during the cooking time to keep it moist, and it also helps it brown up. These look really nice though. We're gonna give them a few more minutes. I'd say maybe instead of 15 minutes, we'll probably let this go about 20. It's been in for 10, so we'll give it 10 more minutes because we want them soft and good. Okay, y'all, I just heard it ding, so let's take a look. Aren't those pretty? Look, it still has kept its beautiful green color. And just in a fraction of the time, I usually roast these in the oven when I'm cooking. And this came out just a fraction of the time than what you would have to use at home. And that is beautiful. You know, I like the kids out where some bacon and the brown sugar. That is really a great recipe, but for me, I love vegetables, and the best seasoning that a vegetable needs, Mother Nature's already put it on, so we kept this simple. A little bit of olive oil, some salt and pepper. Brussels sprouts, truly one of my favorites, y'all. Hey, I'm Jamie Deen, and this is good food. We'll see y'all around the kitchen.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.